Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech troubleshooting series. If you're staring at that frustrating 0 to 1 error code on your Samsung TV, don't worry, we've got you covered. This error is one of the most common issues in 2025, and today, we're breaking it down step by step. Let's start with what this error actually means. The 0 to 1 error code on Samsung TVs typically indicates a problem with the device's software or firmware. It could signal issues like corrupted system files, outdated updates, or even conflicts with connected devices. In simple terms, your TV is trying to tell you something's not right, and it's often fixable without needing a professional. Now, let's talk about the possible causes. This error might pop up due to outdated firmware. Samsung releases regular updates to fix bugs, so if yours is behind, that's a likely culprit. Other causes include poor internet connectivity, which can interrupt software processes, or even hardware problems like a faulty HDMI port or overheating. Sometimes, it's as simple as a temporary glitch from too many apps running at once. Alright, time for the good part. Solutions. First, try the easiest fix: power cycle your TV. Unplug it from the wall, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in. This often clears minor glitches. If that doesn't work, head to your TV's settings menu. Go to Support, Software Update, and check for any available firmware updates. Install them if needed, as this is a common resolution for the 0 to 1 error. Next, if you're still seeing the error, perform a factory reset, but be careful, as this will erase your personalized settings. Go to Settings, General, Reset, and follow the prompts. Also, double-check your connections. Ensure all cables are secure and try unplugging any external devices like soundbars or gaming consoles to rule out conflicts. If none of these work, it might be time to contact Samsung support. They can diagnose deeper issues, like hardware faults, and guide you through warranty options. Remember, staying on top of software updates can prevent this error in the future. I hope this video helps you get your Samsung TV back up and running smoothly. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Let's troubleshoot together.